Okay, here I am in the starboard engine room, and this is the rudder post right here, and this is the arm that turns it. And this post is broken on the inside of the rudder, so the rudder swings with the post stays in the same place. So something is broken on the inside of the rudder. So in order to get this repaired, I have to drop this this post out of here. So I have to loosen these two nuts and pull this bolt out. Where is it here? This bolt out, and then the shaft drops down. So I have to make sure there's enough room underwater for this to come out. So I'll be diving in my scuba equipment and working with the flashlight. I'll be showing you some stuff underwater too. We just made our first critical mistake and didn't think things through and moved the boat forward without removing the gangplank, so it fell off the dock. Now it's down there in the water. So we're going to use the topping lift to pull it up out of the water. Oops. Okay, we got it back up on the dock again. Now we're rinsing the wheels so they don't rust. Oops, that was a mistake. So now I'm just going to go dive and look and see if we can do it without moving the boat, because we would have to take this gangplank and take it all the way up on the dock. So I'll go check.
Everyone goes crazy over such and such and such. We made ourselves capable, we just used it as a crutch. We certainly stand. Pretty sure I am. Well, didn't need the water, we just built that good goddamn. And I know this of myself. I see as much ground in the world. Was it even worth it? Was there all that much to gain? Well, we knew we'd missed the boat, and we'd already missed the train. We didn't read the invites, we just danced it our own ways. All our favorites were playing, so we could shake, 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 shake.
As I suspected, the connecting parts inside the fiberglass rudder are broken off the post. In the drawing it shows that there's some tabs in here like this, or one over here like that, or something like that. So I'm going to have to cut this out, cut the material out, and I don't know, have some welding done or something. Figure it out as I go. So the gangplank's a little slippery, and I slipped on it and kind of did the splits, scraped my shin. So it's not a great afternoon.